Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you a closet idea that you can use in small spaces.
Hey guys, we're Daires and Akilah of DIY Power Couple.
And we're here to help you update your home
And save money by doing it yourself.
If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our DIY projects.
If you've been following us, you know that we are transforming a dining room into a bedroom. One of the challenges is that there are no closets in the room. We looked at some closet builds and clothes racks, but they were a little too big for our space. So today we're going to build something right here. This will be our budget-friendly DIY closet shelf with PVC pipe to hang our clothes on. Here's a snapshot of the tools you'll need, and you can also find them at your local home improvement store. We went to our neighborhood Home Depot and picked up two 36-inch gray shelves. This was easier for us because they had a selection of pre-cut shelves in different colors and sizes that would work perfect for the space that we needed. We also picked up 4 shelf brackets that included the rod holder so that we could hang up our clothes. Because we wanted our top shelf pretty high, buying our pieces separately and then putting them together gave us a little more flexibility of where we'd like to put it. We realized while looking at the closet rods that we were going to have to cut them anyway to fit our dimensions, so we said let's try PVC piping. This way we could customize them and cut them to size. It's just as strong and very budget friendly. Our PVC pipe was 1 inch in diameter, and then we picked up an end cap to match. You want the pipe big enough so that it can handle the weight of the clothes and not bend, but you also don't want it too big in case you're using a PVC pipe cutter. The end caps for the PVC pipes are cheaper than the closet rods too. Now it's time to install our closet rod and shelf. This is when we used our drill, leveler, and miter box. And if we used a laser leveler, this DIY would have gone a lot quicker. We measured the shelves and placed them far enough apart so that we could maximize this corner and get 2 rows of shirts without touching each other or the bottom one touching the ground. You can see here how we did it. Remember, it's so important to use your leveler when installing shelves. Now it's time to cut the pipe to size. We measured our PVC pipe about an inch shorter than the shelf to give us room for the end caps. We used our miter box to cut our pipe, which is one of our favorite beginner DIY tools. The miter box and saw was an easy way to cut our PVC pipe to our custom size. It's really good to get the end caps just to keep it smooth, but if you don't have any, you can also use some sandpaper and just sand the edges that you cut. After we double checked the measurement of the rod with the end caps, they were ready to go back on our shelves. For us, a 1-inch PVC pipe worked really well. At this point, we wanted to make sure that the pipe wouldn't slide back and forth on the bracket, especially the top rod since it was so high and we didn't want it to fall on anyone's head. You can use pipe glue, but we didn't want the sticky residue to get on the clothes, so we just screwed in the bottom of the bracket to the pipe. Now it's time to check out how the clothes will hang. We are loving the clearance between the top and the bottom. We like the depth of the shelves and the hangers, and we also like how our bottom shirt hangs but doesn't touch the floor. Faye got that little boost of energy you get when you finish your DIY project and it's looking good, so he went ahead and put up Granddad's shadow box. So let's see how our closet shelf looks all together in the space. Remember the before? Now here's the after. We loved how it turned out. And most importantly, our son likes the custom closet space we were able to add to his room. For all of us, this was a great space-saving, budget-friendly way to organize his clothes. We hope that this video has sparked so many ideas for you in your home. And remember, you can DIY too.
Thank you guys for spending time with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.